You get it?
Inversely, jointly. I haven't
So I'm going to show a couple of them. Y equals k times, let's see, xy, I'll call it z. So these are just 3 examples of some of these variation problems. So this is direct variation, so I can say y varies directly as x. This one I would say y varies inversely as x. And this one I'd say y varies jointly as x and z. Okay, so and there's other ones. There's the linear one where you take this one and just add it, like y equals mx plus b, add a b to it. So on number 99 though, I would say on number 6 I would say the value of the purchase. So I'll just use v for value. Say value purchase very directly as the square of the satisfaction. I'll use S for satisfaction. So I'm going to use K for the value varied directly as the square. So I have to put a little squared on my satisfaction. And the square root of the NV. That's how I would write it. What, you don't like that?
This is out there.
Yeah, what does that mean? The value of the purchase varied directly as the square of the satisfaction and the square root of the NV. So when you buy something, its value is kind of based on how satisfied you are with it, but also with the people around you's envy of you having it. I don't know.
Seems like it could make sense.
The author, I love him. He's funny. What happened to the value? So are you guys okay with how we set it up? It said direct, so we put them all on one line. If it said inverse, we'd put something in a denominator. So this was actually kind of, it looks like a joint variation, sort of. So if you just set it up like this on number 6, then what happened to the value of the purchase when the satisfaction factor was multiplied by 3? So what would happen what would happen if I stuck a 3 inside here with my S? What am I really multiplying the whole thing by if I stick a 3 inside here? A 9. Yeah, so I'm just going to write that down here. I'm actually multiplying, or whatever, I'm raising the value, I'm making it 9 times more if I multiply S by 3. And then the envy, something happens to the envy. Envy, they want me to multiply that by 4. Now, what am I really doing to this problem if I put a 4 inside there? Take the square root of 4, which is 2, so I'm really just doubling.
So it's 18.
It's 18, yeah. So the answer is that the value will be multiplied by 18. Is that what they're kind of asking there? What happened to the value of the purchase when we did all this? The value was multiplied by 18. You could see that. Value was multiplied
it's worth this much more now.
By 18. Yes, 18 times.
More valuable.
Yeah, so if they were charging $1, now they're charging $18 for it because, you know. Yeah. I see that.